You don't have a money problem. You have a time problem. Because right now, you're juggling school, assignments, maybe exams. And every time you think about making money, it feels like you need hours you simply don't have. So you scroll. You watch other people your age making money online. And you think, how are they doing this? And I'm stuck. Here's the truth most people won't tell you. You don't need more time. You need the right type of income. Before we get into this, if you actually want to understand how money works at a young age, not just make it, but keep and grow it, make sure you subscribe to Daily Money Clarity. That's exactly what we do here. Let's be real for a second. If you're between 13 and 19, your life already has structure. School takes most of your day. Homework eats your evenings. Weekends disappear fast. So when someone says, just start a business, just grind 5 hours a day, it sounds completely unrealistic. And that's why most people your age fall into one of two traps. Trap number one, doing nothing. You wait. You tell yourself, I'll start later, when I have more time. But later never comes. Trap number two, doing the wrong things. You try. Random apps that pay pennies. Complicated business ideas. Trends that are already dead. You get overwhelmed. You quit. And now you believe, maybe making money online just isn't for me. But that's not the truth. The problem isn't your age. The problem is this. Most money advice is built for people with full control of their time. You don't have that. So instead of asking, how do I make the most money? You should be asking, what makes the most money per hour of effort? That one shift changes everything. Because now, you're not trying to work more. You're trying to work smarter in the little time you have. A few years ago, I remember being in a similar position. Not necessarily your exact situation, but close enough to understand the frustration. I had ideas. I had motivation, but I didn't have time, money, or a clear path. And the worst part? Every video I watched made it seem easy. People saying, just start dropshipping. Just build a brand. Just hustle harder. But no one explained how to actually start when your schedule is already full. So I did what most people do. I tried everything. I downloaded apps that promised easy money, spent hours doing tasks, only to make barely anything. I tried learning complicated skills, but couldn't stay consistent because school always came first. And eventually, I hit that point where you start questioning everything. Is this even worth it? Am I just wasting my time? Then I noticed something interesting. The people who were actually making money at a young age weren't working more than everyone else. They were just doing different types of work. Work that fit into small pockets of time, didn't require years of experience, could scale without constant effort. And that's when it clicked. There are side hustles. And then there are student-friendly side hustles. Most people don't know the difference. A normal side hustle needs hours every day, takes months to see results, burns you out quickly. A student-friendly side hustle works in 30 to 90-minute blocks, has fast feedback, can grow without consuming your life. And once you understand that difference, everything changes. Here's the part no one talks about. It's not that opportunities don't exist. It's that people pick the wrong ones for their lifestyle. They choose high-effort, low-return tasks, saturated trends, or things they can't realistically sustain. And consistency is what actually makes money, not motivation, not hype. Consistency. But you can't be consistent if what you're doing doesn't fit your life. So instead of giving you generic ideas, I'm going to show you something different. These are 7 side hustles specifically designed for busy students in 2026. Each one is realistic, beginner-friendly, and actually fits around school. And more importantly, I'm going to break each one down so you know how it works, how much you can realistically make, and how to start without wasting time. Because that's what matters. Some of these you can start today with just your phone. Some of them can grow into serious income streams before you even finish school. And one of them is probably the easiest way to make money right now that almost nobody your age is using. Let's start with something important. None of these ideas will work if you treat them like something you'll try when you feel like it. This only works if you pick one, stay consistent, and give it enough time to compound. Not all 7, just one. Side hustle number 1, short-form content clipping. This is one of the easiest entry points right now. You've seen those clips. Podcast highlights, motivational snippets, funny moments. Those don't appear randomly. Someone is getting paid to edit and post them. Why this works. Content creators are overwhelmed. They don't have time to watch their long videos, find the best moments, turn them into viral clips. That's where you come in. How much can you make? Boy, beginner. $50 to $200 per client per month. Intermediate, $500 plus with multiple clients. Time required, 30 to 60 minutes per clip. 1 to 2 hours daily is enough to start. How to start? 1. Download CapCut or any simple editor. 2. Find YouTube videos or podcasts. 3. Clip engaging moments. 4. Add captions plus zoom cuts. 5. DM small creators with samples. Simple. Side hustle number 2. Selling digital notes/study. Guides you're already studying. Why not get paid for it? Why this works. Students hate creating notes, but they love using good ones. Earnings. $5 to $25 per note pack. Scale equals $100 to $1,000 per month. Time. No extra time needed. You're already doing the work. How to start? 1. Take clean, structured notes. 2. Turn them into PDFs. 3. Sell on platforms like Gumroad. 4. Share with classmates or TikTok. This is literally monetizing what you're already doing. Side hustle number 3. Micro freelancing. Fast skill LS. Forget mastering complex skills. Focus on simple, high-demand tasks. Thumbnail design, caption writing, bio optimization. Why it works. People don't want perfection. They want speed. Earnings. $10 to $50 per task. Stack multiple gigs daily. Time. 10 to 30 minutes per job. How to start? 1. Pick one skill. 2. Practice for 2 to 3 days. 3. Create 3 sample works. 4. Offer services on Fiverr or Instagram. Speed beats skill at the beginning. Side hustle number 4. Reselling. The fastest cash. This is the quickest way to make money. What to sell? Clothes. Old gadgets. Books. Sneakers. Why it works. You already have inventory. Earnings. $50 to $500 plus depending on items. Time. 1 to 2 hours to list items. How to start? 1. Find items you don't use. 2. Take clear photos. 3. List on marketplaces. 4. Price competitively. Then scale by flipping. Buy low to sell higher side. Hustle number 5. AI content assistance. This is new, and most people your age aren't using it yet. What you do, use AI tools to help people. Write captions, generate ideas, improve content. Why it works. People know AI exists, but don't know how to use it properly. Earnings. $100 to $500 per month per client. Time. 1 to 2 hours per day. How to start. 1. Learn basic AI prompts. 2. Offer content help packages. 3. Target small creators or businesses. You're not selling AI. You're selling results. Side hustle number 6. Local service hacking. This is underrated. Look around your area. There are small businesses that don't post online, have outdated pages, don't understand social media. What you do, help them improve. Examples: manage their Instagram, take better photos, create simple posts. Earnings: $50 to $300 per month per business. Time: a few hours weekly. How to start: 1. Walk into local shops. 2. Show them what they're missing. 3. Offer simple help. You don't need experience, just initiative. Side hustle number 7. Affiliate shorts. Low effort, high upside. This combines content plus sales. What you do: promote products, earn commission per sale. Where? TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. Earnings: $0 at first, then potentially $1,000 plus if one video goes viral. Time: 30 to 60 minutes per video. How to start: 1. Pick trending products. 2. Create simple videos. 3. Add your link. 4. Post consistently. One viral video can change everything. Here's what separates people who succeed from those who don't. It's not the idea, it's not the tools, it's not even talent. It's this: they stick with one thing long enough to see results. Most people try something for 3 days, see no results, quit and repeat the cycle forever. If you take anything from this video, let it be this: 1. Pick one hustle from this list. 2. Give it 14 days of focused effort. 3. Track what works. 4. Improve slightly every day. That's it. Not complicated, not flashy, but it works. You don't need more time, more money, or more motivation. You just need a smarter approach. Because right now, while everyone else is waiting for the perfect moment, you could already be building something. And a year from now, you won't just be watching people make money online. You'll be one of them. If you want more simple, practical ways to make money and actually understand how it works, subscribe to Daily Money Clarity. That's exactly what we break down here. And if you're serious about starting, go back, pick one idea, and start today. No overthinking, just action.